Ever wondered what DevOps is and why it's so crucial in today's digital age? Well, let's break it down. DevOps, a blend of development and operations, is a practice that aims to unify software development and IT operations. It's all about bringing together the people who create the software and those who maintain it, fostering a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. Why is DevOps important, you ask? Picture this. A world where software updates roll out smoothly, where there's less back and forth between teams, fewer bugs, and quicker fixes. That's the magic of DevOps. It's the grease that keeps the IT machinery running smoothly, reducing the time from development to deployment, and making sure your favorite apps are always up and running. DevOps is the unsung hero of the digital age, bridging the gap between development and operations. Now that we know what DevOps is and why it's important, let's delve into the nitty-gritty. DevOps isn't just a buzzword, it's a series of steps that, when followed, can revolutionize how your IT department operates. Let's start with the first step, planning. This is where you define what you want to achieve, sketch out your application's architecture, and decide on the tools you'll use. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next comes coding. This is where the developers get their hands dirty, writing the code that will form your application. But remember, in DevOps, coding isn't just about writing code. It's about writing quality, maintainable code that can be easily integrated and deployed. Once the code is written, it's time to build. In this step, the code is compiled, dependencies are managed, and the application is packaged into a deployable unit. This is also where continuous integration comes into play, ensuring that the code changes are regularly built and tested, catching issues early. Testing is the next crucial step. This involves various types of testing to ensure the software is up to standard. The goal here is to catch and fix any bugs or issues before the software is deployed. Finally, we reach the deployment, operation, and monitoring stages. Deployment is where the application is made live. Operation involves managing the application to ensure it's running smoothly. And monitoring involves keeping an eye on the application to catch any issues that arise once it's live. And there you have it, a step-by-step breakdown of the DevOps process. You might be wondering, does DevOps really work? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's delve into some real-world examples where DevOps has revolutionized the way companies operate. First, we have Amazon, a global leader in e-commerce and cloud services. They adopted DevOps to support daily deployments, a significant leap from their previous bi-weekly deployments. This has led to increased efficiency, quicker bug fixes, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Next up is Netflix, the streaming giant. They've built an entire architecture around DevOps principles, enabling them to handle over 1 billion calls per day to their streaming video API. This has provided them with the agility to rapidly respond to market trends, ensuring their continued dominance in the industry. Lastly, we have Etsy, an online marketplace for unique and creative goods. Through DevOps, they've managed to reduce their error rate while increasing the deployment frequency, leading to a more robust and reliable platform for their users. These companies are a testament to the transformative power of DevOps. But as they say, no rose without a thorn. DevOps too comes with its own set of challenges. One of the common hurdles is the resistance to change. It's human nature to be comfortable with the familiar, so shaking up the status quo with a new approach like DevOps can meet with opposition. The solution? Communication and training. Make sure everyone understands the benefits of DevOps and feels equipped to play their part. Another challenge is the lack of a standard definition and understanding of DevOps. It's not a one-size-fits-all methodology, and this can lead to confusion. The best way to counter this is by clearly defining what DevOps means for your organization and setting specific, measurable goals. Lastly, implementing DevOps can be a substantial financial investment. However, consider it as an investment for the future. The efficiency and productivity gains can far outweigh the initial costs. With the right approach, these challenges can be overcome, paving the way for a smooth DevOps implementation. DevOps, when done right, can be a game changer for any organization. From streamlining processes to accelerating deployments, it's the secret sauce to success in today's fast-paced digital world. Remember, the path to DevOps is not without challenges, but with the right approach and best practices, it's very much achievable. Companies worldwide are reaping the benefits. Why should you be left behind? Want to stay updated on more such insightful content? Make sure you subscribe for more videos on data and AI. Until next time, keep innovating.